This little millipede-like robot is made of plastic and powered by air. It's a simple design, but the surprising thing about it is how it was made. This robot was printed using a new kind of 3D printer. One that can print objects using multiple different materials with a speed and level of detail that was previously impossible. Conventional 3D printers usually build up objects in one material, bit by bit. But this printer can deposit 2, 4, or even 8 different materials from one nozzle. And it can do it at high resolution. Each of these tiny 3D pixels is about the width of a human hair. To print complex patterns in a short space of time, the nozzles have to be able to switch quickly between materials. Very quickly. And it doesn't end there. The new design can print with multiple nozzles at the same time. For some projects, this makes printing much faster, although at the moment every nozzle has to be printing the same thing. To demonstrate the benefits of combining different materials, researchers made this origami sheet, which has flexible folding edges in between rigid areas. The same principle applies to this beaker-carrying soft robot. The tubes create a vacuum that crumples the soft parts of the legs, allowing them to bend and walk. The printer can also deposit a wide variety of materials. Wax, silicone and gelatin inks were all used, and the researchers hope this technology could be used to print things like flexible electronics, rechargeable batteries, and even materials containing human cells. For now, though, if you need a conical flask delivered, you know who to call.